Isn't it amazing that we have so many ways to make money online thanks to modern technology? If you're new to my channel, this is MetaUverse. In this video, I'll teach you how to earn money online by just typing names. Let's now get going. If you enter a single word or name like Michael or Boo, you get an award. Here's how much money you could make from this great deal. You could make $20 by entering just one page of names. 5 pages could make $100 a day, while 20 could make $400. You can text as much as you want and earn as much as you want because there are no limits. This can be done on a computer, a phone, or a tablet. The video explains how to use the calculator on this website to figure out how much money you could make from this strange offer. The per word rate, which in this case is 10 US cents, shows how much you could get paid for each word you write. I'll show you how to use a website to type 300 words for $20. As I scroll down, I count 300 names. You could make $20 per page by just typing names into this site. We can get up to 20 pages a day, so you could easily make $400 or $500 a day by entering names on this website. Visit talentdesire.com today to start making money from home right away. Start using this offer right away without spending any money or making any promises. Go to the bottom of this page to learn more about their work-from-home options. In this video, we'll talk about online typing jobs because they're some of the easiest and don't require any special skills or knowledge. This website has a wide range of services such as online page surveys, freelance blogging, language translation, and online proofreading jobs. Think about the new typing jobs that are now available online. Your salary could be anywhere from $13,500 to $27,500 per year. People all over the world can make a lot of money this way. Joining doesn't cost anything upfront, like registration or dues, and you'll never be asked to make a financial contribution. This is a chance that is available to everyone and doesn't cost a thing. Now that we know your ability level, which might range from beginner to expert, we can provide you with an appropriate wage. I'm about to give you a bonus tip that not many people know about, but it will more than double your earnings. As you can see, even if you are just starting out, you can make money like a pro. Are you still with us? If you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. One more idea to boost your online earnings is to type people's names. Please finish the test at ratatype.com. It's free. If you click the yellow button, Start Typing Now, you'll go to a screen where you can start typing on your computer or phone. Since the website will give you a certificate if you pass the speed typing test, I think you should try it out. If you want more money and more sales from your website, you need to get a typing certification. In other words, you can use this certificate to negotiate a rate of $20 per page if that's how much you want to be paid to type. If you have a typing certificate, you may be able to speed through the authorization process, make more high-paying contacts, and open doors to new job opportunities. As you can see, they will begin gauging your accuracy and WPM, or words per minute, as soon as you begin typing on this page. Before you send in your application to talentdesire.com, you should carefully read the instructions on how to get the certificate. The target accuracy level is between 98 and 99.99%. You will make more money if you are more exact. You can quickly raise your payout rate if you pass a typing test, get a certificate, and show off your accuracy and speed on this website. As you'll see below, it takes less than 5 minutes to finish each of these tests and download your certificate. The outcome of my typing speed test will be displayed here after I'm done. In the event that your typing speed or accuracy is below 98%, you can go back to ratatype.com and repeat the exam as many times as you like in order to reach your goal. After your search, you can sign up for a free Ratatype account by clicking Sign Up. Create an account with just your name, email address, and password. My name, email, and password were all required fields. Click I have read and agreed to Ratatype's terms of use and privacy policy. You can see my name and my typing speed and accuracy results on my dashboard. To see my certificate, just scroll down. They will even produce the Ratatype.com signature to prove the certificate's legitimacy. This certificate will help you a lot, and you can expect to get paid a lot more because of it. Scroll down and click the Print button to print this certificate, but certificates can also be printed from computers and mobile devices by taking a picture or saving a PDF file of the certificate. You can see the genuine certificate I got for free from Ratatype if you click the Save button. This credential will allow you to enter the workforce immediately upon completion. A bright red Apply Now button will be located at the page's footer. If you click here on this website, you can start the process of applying for a job. If you don't pay attention and see the whole video, you can miss the page where you can sign up. When you get to this page, you'll see the part where it says Select an application form. If you click on this red link, you'll be taken to a page with an online application form for working from home. Once you click it, you'll see a message written in red. Fill in your data to apply and work with us. To continue on this page, you must first enter your name and contact information. Consent to the privacy policy is the first step. After that, please include your contact information, including first and last names, and an email address or phone number. The second step, which should focus mostly on your professional information, sometimes gets overlooked. To finish this section, copy the heading exactly as it appears above and paste it into the job title field whenever it works best for you. You can pick any time you like using the arrow down below, but the full day is your best bet if you want to maximize your potential for online income. Lastly, you can choose the best way to get your money by clicking on this arrow pointing down. You can choose PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. To continue, please provide your complete name and select I'm not a robot box before clicking the Submit button. Scroll down and click Yes, I have read and accept the statement above, and please sign. Once you've been accepted, you'll start receiving typing jobs like this one, where you'll earn $20 after completing a page of 300 words and another $20 after completing a page of another 300 words. If you want to work every day and get paid $20 for each typed page, you need to turn in your work on time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos, and if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.